All right, I finally made it to the waterfall. Running pretty hard here. This is the way it runs in the spring. You see I'm standing right where the deer cross here, and they go off in that direction. This stream meanders all the way down through the valley here. I followed it for about a quarter mile here in the summertime, and it just goes into denser and denser bush. Whoops. Snowshoes are a little tricky in this packing snow. Really something here. Boy, it sure would be nice to have a cabin right back here by this creek. It's a long walk though. Let's see if I can get around here. Falling down. Oh. Hang on, let's see if we can get around here. Oh. There's still about 1.5 feet of snow in some spots in here. Sinking pretty deep in the snowshoes. Here, we'll just sit here and listen to this. Boy, could a fella ever do something really nice with a cabin right here. Anyway, there we go. Gonna head her back.